Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install and set up Arduino Uno on Windows 10 computer. So that's been said, let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for Arduino and open the link from arduino.cc. Don't worry about the download link, you will get the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download your Arduino Uno IDE. So using this IDE, you can control your Arduino device. So for that, simply click on this software option. Here we have the official download page from where we can download Arduino IDE to control your Arduino device. So here you can see the latest version of Arduino IDE is 1.8.13. This is the stable version of Arduino IDE. If you want a beta version or developer preview version, then here we have the beta version, which is Arduino IDE 2.0. If you want to experience the latest features of Arduino IDE, then you can download Arduino IDE 2.0 beta version. If you want a stable version of Arduino IDE, then you can use this stable version. To download this, here we have the download option. This is for Windows installer file and this is for Windows G file. If you want to download Arduino IDE from your Microsoft Store, then you can simply click on this button. For now, we are going to download the installer file. Here we have the support page for Arduino IDE. If you want to contribute to Arduino, then you can contribute some amount to Arduino. For now, we are going to download it for free. For that, simply click on just download. Here you can see it is downloading. It is around 112 MB, so it will take some time to download. So wait until the download process complete. And after that, I will show you how you can connect your Arduino device with your computer and how you can use Arduino IDE to program your Arduino device. Our download has been completed. Now let us see how we can install Arduino IDE on Windows 10. For that, simply click on this arrow icon, then click on open. Let me minimize the browser. So here we have to accept the Arduino setup license agreement. So if you want, you can read this license agreement, then click on I agree. Here we have installation option. So check all this box, then click on next. So this is the default location where your Arduino IDE is going to install. So if you want to change this location, you can change by clicking on this browse button and you can select your location. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, then click on install. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. So wait until the installation process complete. Here you have to install the device software for Arduino hardware. For that, simply click on this install button. And here you can see, here we have the name, that is Arduino USB driver. Simply install this USB driver. For that, simply click on this install option. Here we have another device software from Arduino LLC. Simply click on install. Now here you can see Arduino setup has been successfully completed. Now let us close this setup window. Here we have the Arduino IDE. So if you don't get shortcut here, you can simply search for Arduino. Here you will find Arduino application, or you can simply click on this start button and search for Arduino. Here we have the Arduino IDE. Let me open this Arduino IDE. So this is the Arduino IDE. So you can use this Arduino IDE to program your Arduino devices. Before using this Arduino IDE, you have to connect your Arduino device to your computer. So just connect your Arduino device and search for Device Manager on your Windows 10 computer. So here let me search for Device Manager. So here we have Device Manager. Here on ports option, you will find your Arduino device. So I had connected my Arduino Uno device to my Windows computer. That's why it is showing my Arduino Uno device. Let me give you an overview of Arduino IDE. So this is the text editor where you can do your coding. Let me tell you that to code your Arduino device, you can use C and C++ programming language. Here we have file option. You can create your new project, open an existing Arduino project, or you can open your recent Arduino project. Here we have scratchbook, example. So here are different types of examples you can use to program your Arduino device. Here we have some basic settings such as save, save as, page setup, print, and preferences. Here we have edit option, and here we have sketch option. You can verify your Arduino program, you can upload that program to your Arduino device, and other options. Here we have tool options. Here we have help option. So if you want to troubleshoot your Arduino IDE or you need some references, here you can check this option. Let me show you one example how your Arduino IDE will work. Let me use an example. For that, simply click on File, then click on Example. Here you will find a built-in example called Basic. Inside this basic built-in example, you will find one example called Blink. Here we have a blink program. So here we have a built-in code which will blink your Arduino device. So now to verify this code, whether this code is working with our Arduino Uno device or not, here we have a verify option. Simply click on this verify option, or you can simply click on scratch and verify and compile. So for now we are just going to use this verify option. So here you can see it is verifying the code. So you can see our code is successfully verified. Now to run this code, we have to upload this code to our Arduino device. For that, simply click on this upload button. And here you have to select your Arduino device. So I had already told you that my Arduino Uno device is connected on port COM3. So here I have my COM3 port. Simply select this port, then click on OK. Here you can see my Arduino device is blinking. So this way you can download and set up Arduino IDE for Arduino Uno devices. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.